Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Juna Fatimatus Azahra. I'm from University 11 Mart. Today, I will present the result of our article titled Motivation of the People in Solo City to Implement Climate Change Adaptation and Mitigation Strategies. This research explored how community motivation influences the implementation of adaptation and mitigation activities within the Climate Village program in Solo City. Climate change affects almost every aspect of human life. To address this, the Indonesian government promotes community-based collaboration through the Climate Village program as one of its key strategies. The city of Solo has been developing its Climate Village program since 2013, and by 2025, the number of locations will increase to 47. However, fact data indicate that the implementation of program in Solo is still not fully sustainable. This condition raises the question of how community motivation influences the continuity of this climate action. The purpose of this study is to analyze the motivation of climate-vulnerable communities in Solo to take part in adaptation and mitigation activity within Proclim. This study employed the qualitative descriptive approach using focus group discussion, in-depth interview, documentation review, and field observation. Our focus was to understand community motivation across all program categories in Solo. The results are expected to provide strategic insight for strengthening the effectiveness and sustainability of climate action at the community level. In Solo, community engaged in various adaptation and mitigation activity, such as first is cleanliness competition. Every year, the Solo Environment Agency holds a cleanliness competition to encourage climate-friendly activities in the community. 2. Adaptation and mitigation activity. The people of Solo carry out adaptation and mitigation activity in the form of community service, waste bank, urban farming, the use of environmentally-friendly energy, and many more. And the effect proclaim increased community resilience to climate disaster risks while assisting city government in realizing sustainable environmental development. Despite the progress, several obstacles affect community motivation. First is some residents still view Proclaim merely as a competition. Secondly, limited funds and extension hinder the implementation of activity. Third, there is still a lack of awareness and support from various stakeholders. Fourth, many residents have a limited time to participate due to work commitments. To address this challenge, several solutions can be applied. First, refarming proclaimed as a long-term sustainability program, not just a competition. Second, strengthening collaboration with government, CSR program, university, and community group for better funding support. Third, increasing environmental awareness through education, training, and involvement of local leaders. Fourth, providing flexible participation options and adjusting activity schedule to accommodate resident work routines. Last is conclusion. The motivation of the people in Solo is carry out climate change adaptation and mitigation activity is still hampered by a number of obstacles, such as the perception that program is only competition, limited funds and support, low environment awareness, and lack of time due to work commitments. These obstacles have resulted in suboptimal participation level. However, if this obstacle can be overcome through increased understanding, funding support, continuous assistance, and strengthened collaboration between parties, community motivation will increase significantly and has the potential to ensure the sustainability of Proclaim in Solo. Thanks for the time. Thank you.